This conference will now be recorded.
Thought it was unmuted.
So, last day we were talking about waves, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good. So we saw how waves work, right?
Yes, sir.
Before I go to waves, few things. Speed, time, and distance.
You're not presenting a
Sorry,
screen.
yeah.
See, it is very cold, Saswat. So it takes some time for my screen to come to you, right?
No, I think you forgot to share it.
You people will blame me only. Okay. So, everywhere, remember, proportionality is very important. So what we are going to do, let us talk about some force, etc. So remember, if two charges are there, Q1 and Q2, the force will be equal to, suppose we are talking on this one. What is the force? So force will be, this distance is R and the force is F, right?
Yes, sir.
Very important.
Yeah, sir.
So force will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So I will write R cube and I will write 1 R here, or I will write R square and I will write only R direction. The value of this is 1. Okay, so there are two ways of writing. Okay, field
Okay,
is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R square and in the direction of R. Any question, anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Force equal to QP, right?
Yes, sir.
If we take same thing in force of gravity, so you should not remember these things. You should remember like this. Mass 1, mass 2 by R square, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah, sir.
in the direction negative to R. Remember that M1 is here, M2 is here, R is here, and F is here. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
And then exactly the same thing. F equal to M1, M2 by R square minus, so a constant is Z minus, and in the direction. This minus came here. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Magnetic pole, again, same thing, right? Most important thing was F equal to Q V B. This is very famous equation. What does it tell? This is a beautiful equation. about a relation between electric and magnetic field. So what is electromagnetic field? Any electromagnetic field is like this. It is three-dimensional picture. So suppose this is three-dimensional, this is X, Y, and Z. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So what was happening, what is happening, you see? This is working in this plane, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
then this is working in this plane. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is like this. So this is electromagnetic field. So if this is your time and this is your electric field and this is your magnetic field. So this is like electromagnetic field. Okay, we will talk about this. But most important thing is how to remember F equal to QVB. So remember, see, suppose an electron is passing through this, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is a magnetic field. B equal to magnetic field, right?
Yes, sir.
So a moving charge in a magnetic field will experience a force. What will be that force? That force will be proportional to magnetic field, right?
Yes, sir.
That force will be proportional to how much velocity the charge has. Okay, so this is V. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Electron does not. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And this is also proportional to the charge it has, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If we'll convert it, F equal to Q does not have direction. So you write Q anywhere, right? The question
Yeah.
is V cross B or B cross V. Okay, both are possible because we need a vector, right?
Yes, sir.
So we know by experiments this is QVB. Okay, and this is Lorentz force, and this is very, very important. Clear? So Lorentz force F equal to Q V cross B. And you people not write without vector sign. In books, you will see written E equal to, what will be E? Can anybody tell me? E equal to field equal to? Nobody? Remember electric field? Electric force? What is difference between force and field? No.
Sir, I'm not so sure.
F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, right?
Yes, sir.
Electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square, right? F equal to QE, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you will see in most of competition, Lorentz force dominates because it is highly confusing and it dominates. Why it is highly confusing? Because first let us understand what does that mean. This is V and this is B. Okay, so V dot B is very simple. What you will do, this is dot product, it has to be directionless. So this is B, this is B. So we have to draw like this, right? And
Yes,
this
sir.
will be V cos theta, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
It
I'm
will,
sorry for the barking of the dog. If you
you
can hear.
shouldn't be sorry for barking of the dog. Dog should be sorry. Okay? It is doing its job. You do your job. Okay? So that is that. But the vector product is basically what you do. You create here. This is your V and this is your B. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And this area is called V cross B. Right?
Yes, sir.
As we know, this area will be, if VB is theta, this will be what?
B vector B sin theta.
Yes, sir.
B sine theta, right?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So B cross V or V cross B equal to VB sine theta. And this has direction, because if you try B cross V, it will be B V sine minus theta. Always go back, don't try to guess. Always go back to unit circle and see here. This is theta up and this is minus theta down, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So what will happen?
They both are equal.
Now, see, this is both are x, y,
Yeah, so
right?
down. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this is x minus y.
Yeah.
Yes or
X.
no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Are we clear? So which is sine theta? X is sine theta or y is sine theta?
Y.
Sir, y is sine theta.
Sir, y is
So what
sin theta.
happens? So this becomes what? Minus BV sine theta. Scalar 5 into 4 or 4 into 5 doesn't matter. So it will be minus BV sine theta. Any question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No.
So they are just opposite. In this case, remember that if I try to write B dot V equal to, again will be V cos minus theta, and cos minus theta is also cos theta, as you see. So we can write VV cos theta. There is no problem in this. But in this case, both are different. So one is the direction of VV is, this one is V cross B, and this one is B cross B. Are you getting it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is a vector n perpendicular to V and B both. I write like this, you will not see in the books. And n perpendicular to V and V both. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
yeah,
And remember minus sign. So let us try to understand. You will see in the books right hand thumb rule. I don't use right hand thumb rule. So I use like this. This is XYZ, or rather, I will. Which? Is this okay?
Yeah.
yeah, sir.
Very good. So these are three directions, right?
Yes, sir.
Y and Z. The unit vectors whose length is 1, it is called I, it is called Z, it is called K. So what is I? I equal to unit vector in direction of X. Okay? Similarly, J and K. What does unit vector mean? If I multiply I dot I, it will be the value of I, again value of I, and cos 0. Anybody does not understand, please tell me.
Okay, sir.
Like vector 5, the value is equal to 5. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this value is 1. Second value is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. So this will be 1. Be clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Today, Anya is creating a lot of logic. Right?
Oh, sorry, sir. It's just really addicting playing with it.
Okay. Are we clear here or any doubt?
Clear, sir.
So if I ask you what will be I dot I is okay? Any question?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So you have to not remember but understand you will use a lot. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
What will be I dot j? I dot j will be I j
Cos.
pi by 2. Right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I dot j equal to what? 0. I dot k equal to what? 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
So if they are not similar, so I can write I dot j
Why did it become 0? I didn't
cos pi by
understand.
2 is what?
90.
90 equal to what? Ninety equal to what? Where?
What?
Cos 90 equal to what?
Oh. Oh, okay. Cos 90 is 0. Yeah, yeah.
Are we clear?
Yeah.
But we were talking about I cross j. And what would be I cross j is very important. See, and please pay attention to this. What we are talking of, I cross j. So let us look here. Are you people paying attention?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So I cross j, right? Theta
Yeah.
positive direction or negative direction? Theta is positive or negative?
Sir, positive.
Or positive.
Very good. So I cross j will be equal to I j and sine pi by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember, cross product is sine. This is area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is I
Yeah,
cross j. Okay?
Yeah.
And this is 1.1.1. But the direction this one is k. Are we clear? Equal to k. So this will go in K, and this one we can write K equal to I cross J. Any question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So you can write similarly, this one is I equal to J cross K, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you can write Ki J equal to K cross I, not Ik. Interesting is if you draw below, J cross I will be equal to minus K. Any question? This
No.
5/2 will become minus. So let us understand. Always, if you want to know, write a circle. I, J, and K. Always remember. So I cross J, positive direction or negative direction?
Sir,
Ij
positive.
Yeah, positive.
K will be positive. J cross I,
Sir, negative.
so minus K. Okay. So K cross I, who will tell me?
Positive.
Sir, positive.
Positive what?
Positive J.
Very good. So this is your savior. You can write any equation, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
But what will be I cross I? So remember that suppose I draw this and I draw this, what will be area? It will be
Sir,
0.
0. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can check it. I is 1, I is 1, and sine 0 is there equal to 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
It is still perpendicular. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular to I.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
It will be 1 into cos 0 because we are doing it from the base. And cos 0 is equal to
No,
1.
what we are doing? What we are doing? Cross or dot?
Oh, cross.
Shashwat is confusing a lot this time. Okay, are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 2i plus 3j minus 4k a equal to this. B equal to minus 3i plus 2k plus 6j. Okay, guys, A dot B. Please tell me what will be the case. Who is going to tell me? You people don't know how to multiply? Hello?
Sir, minus 6
9.
I.
Yes, sir.
First time I see this team is not able to follow properly. We are multiplying with this, all the members.
Oh, minus 6 I. And then 4 I.
Minus, Hold
Sir,
on,
it's
hold on.
-6 plus
Guys, -6 I dot I, right?
yeah,
And
yeah.
remember, I dot I is 1. Why? 1 dot 1 cos 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus what?
Sir, 4I times K.
4 I times K. I times K is what? 1 dot 1, both have value of 1, and
Sir,
cos
0.
pi by 2 equal to 0. So I will survive, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it will be -6, second will be 0, third will be 0. Any question?
No, sir.
Now we will try with 3J. Please tell me fast. First one will be
Sir, -9 J times I.
0, because
Oh,
J
yeah.
and I will be cos pi
Yeah.
by 2.
And then 0.
Plus
0,
yeah, and
And 9J times J. So that's 9.
18. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, 18. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I was.
And
No.
then
Yeah.
first one
minus
please.
0,
8.
8 plus 0. 8 plus 0.
Yeah.
Minus plus 0.
Are we clear? Shreyas?
Yeah, sir. Yes. Sir, I
So
didn't
basically,
get it. Could you repeat that?
basically odd vectors become 0. So we will have to look only I and I. So simply we can write this one and this one. -6, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One and this one. Plus 18. This one and this one. How much?
So -8.
Yeah.
Plus 4 is the answer. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So in A dot B, we are looking only at I to I, J to J, and K to K.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What if I have A equal to 2I minus 3J plus 4K and B is equal to minus 2J plus 5K minus 3I. How will you
Sir,
do
I'm
it?
getting an echo.
I'm not very sure who is creating echo.
Oh, now I'm not getting it.
It is you.
Me?
Okay. Yes. Okay. So anyway, A cross B. Remember I cross I equal to 1 dot 1 dot sine pi by 2 vector n. This
Are you
this
still
one
getting
no. This will be sine 0. In vector I direction, this will be 0. Any question anybody has?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And IJK, we talked about this, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
please
sir.
tell me, first term. First term.
Uh,
Sir, -6.
We are trying this and all
Oh.
three.
okay. Okay.
-6I or -6.
First this and this.
Oh,
First term,
minus 4 I.
minus 4 I and J.
I and
Zero.
J is there. One minus sign is there, I and J. I and J is equal to, sorry, I and J equal to K, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So minus
sir.
4 K. Next,
10 I into K, which is equal to J.
I into K is
One
minus
is
J.
minus J.
Minus.
So this will be minus J 10. Next, I
Sir,
into I cross I will be 0.
0. Yeah. Yeah.
Next,
Minus 3J into minus 2J will be 0.
okay, that will be 0.
15J into K, I.
First minus 15 and
Yeah.
then J into K equal to
I.
last one is
Minus
minus
9K.
3 into minus 3 equal to 9 and J into I.
Minus K.
K cross I. And that is minus K. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What about the last one? Now we
Minus.
are
Minus 8.
Minus. No, it
and-
will become plus because
last
Eight.
8.
Oh, yeah, plus 8.
plus 8I.
K cross J is minus I.
Yeah, but
But
why did it plus in the starting?
hello guys, as soon as you people mix up a lot of things, you will make mistake. And that is why you see I'm not putting that minus sign with this minus sign. And I rarely make mistakes.
But
Okay,
it's
sir.
4 into minus 2.
Minus 4 into minus 2,
No,
right?
oh, yeah.
Oh, this is minus sign. Guys, don't get carried away. This is minus sign. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
Now K and K will be 0. Any question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
And the last one will be plus 12 and K cross I.
J.
So we got the answer.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
But this is not the nice way to do it. What is nicer way to do it is this one. Do you remember what is this?
Calculus.
This is matrix. I,
Oh.
J, and K. And what is the A? Sorry, in A, I, first one, I is 2, J is minus 3, and K is minus 4. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In B, what is this? What is A?
Minus 3.
Yeah.
Minus
sir.
3, this one.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Yeah.
Plus
5.
And
Yes, sir.
this is A cross B. So how to solve this? This is easier to solve. How will you solve? This is very easy to solve. And this is how I prefer. How will you solve it? Equal to, let us start writing. When we are writing I, you will use determinant. You will use determinant like this. So what is that? Leave that row and column. So how will we write? Oh, this is determinant. Sorry, I'm sorry. So what will be that? It will be -3, -4, -2, and 5. Any question, anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
After that, we will write J. And J, after J, K comes. So we should write -4 and 5. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because when you are writing J, you have to leave two things. So you don't need to include this, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Oh,
Minus,
yeah.
because that J cross J will become 0.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And you will write 2 minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
And the last one being K, what will be that?
-4, 5, and 2 minus 3.
-4, 5, K. K cross K is 0.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
-3 and 2.
You missed 2 minus 3 for the I, in the K.
I messed up. So the first one is 2 minus 3. And the last one is -3 minus 2. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
I changed the order in this case. If you realize, observe what I did, I changed the order. And people don't like to change the order because it creates a lot of confusion. So most of people don't write like this. Most of people, what they do, they put a sign. So this is your plus sign, this is your minus sign, this is your plus sign. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And they
Yes, sir.
don't change the order because they change the sign here. So this way you can write minus J and you don't have to remember the order. 2 minus 3 and -4, 5. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Basically, we did exactly same thing. Because whole abstract mathematics works like this, so we prefer this. I prefer the first one. Are we clear? So how we are going to solve this? Any idea? It is very simple.
Mm. No, sir.
This -15 and minus this one. How much?
8.
8.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Can you people tell me second one?
Yeah. 5 into 2, 10.
10.
And -3 minus 4 is
Minus
12.
12. Yes, sir.
How
Plus
much?
12.
12.
How much?
-4. -9.
Okay, yeah. Minus plus.
9. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
So we can write in one go. Please tell me. Please tell me. How much
Minus
it is?
minus 15.
Always try to do the way I do. First multiply whatever you want to do minus. How much do you want to do minus?
-4 -2.
So that is 8 and you have to do minus, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Now minus 15. How much is the answer?
-23. Oh,
And you will not make
Wait,
mistake.
sir, wouldn't it be 8 since minus 4 and minus 2?
but that is going to get
Eight. How does it get negative?
Hello. We have to do minus 15 minus plus 8.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
what I suggested you, always do minus first. So 4 to the 8 and that will be minus. And then minus 15. That is minus 23i. Are we clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly here, minus 12, that's change the sign to plus and then 10. So this is 22, again minus 22j. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Even in big calculations, you will see me rarely making mistake because I don't use shortcut. So how will you do it? Last one, tell me. First,
First, we have to write -9.
first we write 9, change the sign, that way it becomes minus 9, right? Next one,
-4.
so how much it is?
-30.
Minus 30.
Minus 13.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yeah, sir. No.
No.
So 2k plus 3i minus 5j cross 6j minus 3i minus 4j. Sorry, 4k. Guys, tell me how will I write determinant? This is called determinant, not matrix. So I write I write j, I write k. Tell me the values.
For the I, it will be first row, it will be 3.
3,
3.
J,
Mine-
it will
Oh,
minus
minus 5.
5. K, it will be
2.
2.
next one.
Minus 3.
Pardon?
I will be
Minus-
minus 3. And 6. And 4.
-4.
Oh, sorry. Yeah,
Right.
minus 4.
Remember, I cross I is 0, so we don't take. I cross j is positive and j cross I is negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah,
that
sir.
is why we take this positive and we take this negative. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we are doing exactly the same thing in a better format. I is 3, cross j is 6, will be k. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so let us try. For I, how much it will be? For I, we have to leave this
Minus, yeah.
because I dot I is 0. So tell me, first minus. So first we will do this.
Yeah, 12, and then we'll put a minus sign on it. Minus 12
So minus 12 and then,
plus 20.
so 12 plus 20, both are plus sign.
Minus 12, because we changed the sign.
Okay, so how much it is?
-2.
Huh?
No, I mean plus 8, yeah.
8i.
Yeah.
Anya, please, next one. Anya, please, next one.
Yes, sir.
You will have to leave. So we change the sign so that we don't have to change the places. Okay. This becomes minus. Okay. Go ahead. First
So
we will
we'll do -5 and 2 times 6,
2 times 6.
right? No?
Where is 6 in LRK? 2 times -3. 2 times -3, right?
Yeah.
Equal
Wait,
to
sir, how?
But sir, how do you get how do you get AI?
AI. Hello, guys.
Yeah.
We have to ignore this, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so -6.
And we will change that sign, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So please do again.
Okay, so
This will
minus
become
plus 6. And
okay.
then 3 minus, which is -12.
Yes. So that will become plus 6. So 6 and this minus comes because we did not change the order, right?
Yes, sir.
6j. Can you people tell me K? Shreyas. Remember that we don't have to consider this. Shreyas, please.
Sir,
First this one.
oh sorry,
That is
yeah. Sir, it's 15 and then -15.
yes. And then
15.
that is -15. Other part?
Yeah. And then it goes to 15.
And this is 18.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand or not?
Oh, okay, yes, yeah.
You see, 4 to -3 -6. How much it will be? First look this. -6 and then change the sign. Right?
Yes, sir.
And -24.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? You see, how will we do? First do this. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, are we clear?
Yeah, sir,
Yeah.
I'm clear.
How much? First this one. +6 and then minus. Right? Shreyas,
Yeah.
is it difficult?
No, sir, it's just
See, -3 -2, how much? -3 and -2, how much?
sir, -3 -2 is 6.
6. And sign change. Right? And 2 -1 -2. Okay, we will come back to this. So we understood few things. I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot j equal to sorry, k dot k
Yeah.
equal to 1. Any question?
No, sir.
No.
Whereas I cross I equal to j cross j equal to k cross k equal to 0. Any question?
No.
No, sir.
No. No, sir.
Before I move further, so A and B, remember A dot B. It is always, we cannot multiply and get a scalar in two directions. That is why it will be B cos theta. Theta, now we can do A B cos theta. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because we have to multiply without direction, we have to bring one to another direction, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But A cross B is different. A cross B is basically the area created by a parallelogram. In this, it is B, this is A. This is theta, this is sine theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This A cross B, 90 degree to both. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is
I.
minus A cross B. Any question?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I create a parallelogram. What will be volume of parallelogram? If I have this vector C, I have this vector as C up. What will be volume of parallelogram? A cross B cross C or A cross B dot C? Who is going to tell me? This is test of your intelligence.
Or the first one?
So let us analyze. A cross B is in which direction? So we have AB. A cross B is in this direction
Yeah.
and C is in this direction.
Yeah.
Both are in same direction or different direction?
Same.
The same direction.
So that means multiplication of this and this will be sine 0
Sine
or
0. Yeah.
cos 0. This is 0. Agree?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Anya,
Yes, sir.
why 0? Because cross is sine theta, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So A cross B and C are both in same direction. So their angle will be 0 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that will become 0. So that cannot be area of our parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
So what big lesson we learned? I cross J cross K equal to 0. Why? This will become what? K. And K cross K equal to 0. Any question?
No.
No, sir.
And volume equal to area into height. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is Is C height? Is C height or not? Is C height of parallelogram or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that will be this, because remember that if both are same side, they will not become 0 in dot product. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Dot
Yes.
I equal to 1. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So few things let us remember. A cross B, A, B equal to area of, if I draw a base, A, B, C, D, area of A, B, C, D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I
Yeah,
write
sir.
more because I don't want to deal with direction. I remove the direction. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And this is direction of A cross B. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But suppose our parallelogram is not, it is slightly bent. You understand? It is slightly bent. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
It should be like this. The perfect cuboid is like this. This is our perfect cuboid, right? This is A, this is, sorry, this is B, sorry, this is A, this is B, I'm taking anti-clockwise, and this is C. Are we clear? But
Yes, sir.
what if our parallelogram is like this? Slightly bent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this. This is not 90 degree. And this is our new C. Still, if this is theta, this is theta, remember this will be C cos theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
What is our height? Height equal to C cos theta? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
In this triangle, if this is our C, this is our theta, height we need equal to C cos theta. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And volume equal to what? A cross B dot height. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Equal to what? A cross B and C cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Cos theta is dot product. Any question?
No, sir.
So what is area? What is volume? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So if something is moving in this direction, if omega is like this, what is direction of omega in XYZ? Any idea?
So what's the question again?
If something is moving in this direction,
Yes, sir.
along this, something is moving in this direction along this. What is angle? What is omega? Omega is this. Omega is this. What is direction of omega? So direction omega is this one. And in this case, direction omega is this one. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Why this is important? Let us try. Suppose our disk is like this and you are moving in this direction. What will be the omega? Omega will be in this direction.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Are we clear or any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Right? So if something is moving in this direction, V, okay, equal to, remember R omega?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If somebody doesn't know, R equal to R theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you divide by time, R is constant, this will become V, R will come out, d theta by dt equal to R omega, right?
Yes, sir.
The direction of omega is this. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So V is parallel to omega or V is perpendicular to omega? Hi guys.
Hello, sir.
V is parallel to omega or perpendicular to omega?
Sir, V is perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
To omega. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is why you will see most of places written like this. Okay? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No.
No, sir.
So we have already entered into complex domain of mathematics and physics. Okay? We are going to deal a lot, but you people tell me. I have 2 minutes. Do you people want to focus more on physics, maths? You want to focus more on chemistry? You want to go back to history and philosophy? What do you want to do?
History, physics.
History and philosophy.
Okay, one is telling history and philosophy. Okay. Another person was telling something.
Physics and math.
Shreyas,
Yeah, sir. I chose physics. I
physics,
don't like
right?
it that much.
So I will have to blend all three. Okay. Next 4 months. Unfortunately, we will have to focus more on this. Okay. So that we cover almost all the concepts of physics and maths which you need in undergraduate or pre-graduate level. Next 4 months would be sufficient to cover everything. And then we will start probing everything with help of history, and philosophy. Okay. So next 4 months, I will focus more on this. Okay. I hope you people are enjoying. How
Yes,
much
sir.
you people,
I
how much you people are finding difficult to understand me?
Says 0.
Good. Saswat?
For me also 0.
Yes.
I'm getting 0 too. I mean, maybe 1.
You people are not getting any difficulty. Good. So we are looking at how far you people will be from the being the best in your school, not in best in your class. One year with me, you should be best in your school. My target is very simple. Okay? If we don't become best, will we regret? No.
No.
Remember always that you should compete with yourself, not with anybody else. I came from a village and I did very well in All India exams. So somebody asked me, how did you do well? Because you did not have exposure to students of elite schools. My answer was very simple. I was competing with myself. When you compete with yourself, there is no limit. When you compete with others, suppose somebody is standing here and you are here, what do? You cross them and say, thank you very much, I won, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you are competing with yourself, you will go there and you will go there and you will go there, right?
Yeah, sir.
So I don't want you to compete with each other. I don't want you to be just the best in your school. I want you to be really the best, so that we can deal with philosophical questions and tough questions of science, physics, philosophy, history, and everything. And then you choose where you go. Tomorrow we are going to hear one of Anya's poem, right? And anybody else writes poetry?
No.
Sir, no, but I write essays and stories.
Okay, you write essays. So we are going to watch one of Shreyas's paintings, right?
Okay, sir.
Painting, you will take large photo of your painting and share with us. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And
Yeah.
what about Saswat?
I have to go. It's time. Bye.
You see, that is the best answer he could give. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saswat, you leave. I am telling Shreyas and Anya. Do you have 2 minutes? I'll tell
Yeah.
you go. Saswat, bye-bye. Okay? Shreyas and Anya, listen.
Yeah.
I'm telling a very nice story. Saswat, you can leave if you want, or you can stay, whatever. Okay.
My leave button is not working.
What is not working?
My leave button.
Perfect
Okay,
circumstances.
so listen to this. Anyway, so what happened? Hey, Anya, unmute. If you don't laugh at my joke, I'll kill you. Okay?
Okay.
So what happened? In a kindergarten, children were there, and the teacher wanted to celebrate annual festival, annual school day with something new. So they decided to play a game, host a show, drama, in which all students could participate. So they thought and thought and thought, and then decided to play an episode of Marriage of Sita. You
Oh my
people know
God.
little bit of Ramayana, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yes, sir.
so marriage of Sita, why they decided? Because they thought that one will become Rama, another will become Lakshmana, and rest of students will become kings who come to marry Sita, and one will become Janak. So all boys taken care of. The one will become Sita, and three of her sisters, and others will become friends of Sita. So all taken care of, everybody is participant. Okay, the rehearsal started. So Rama and Ravana were playing their games, and they had some heated exchange on something. Hey, Shreyas, unmute yourself. If you don't laugh, I will kill you. So
My
what
mute button is working.
Okay. Okay. So what happened? Ravana and Rama, the characters the boys were playing, they had a fight during rehearsal. Okay. So while fighting, Rama mocked at Ravana, told you cannot even lift a dhanush. Dhanush, you understand bow,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So you cannot lift a dhanush. What will you do with me? You cannot fight with me. Come on, guy. And Ravana was very, very angry and upset. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Ravana was very upset and he couldn't answer anything. So fine, the drama day came. Real drama started, and one by one, all the kings and princes are going and trying to lift that bow and dhanush, and they are not able to lift. Then came the turn of Ravana. Okay, he went there majestically, tried to lift the bow. He lifted the bow and broke it. He lifted the bow and broke it and told the Rama, look, I have lifted the dhanush and broken it also. Do whatever you want. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the problem came. Sita started crying because he was told that she had to marry Rama. Okay, so she was holding the garland and she didn't know what to do, and she started crying. And she was inconsolable because she was not able to decide. So she was crying, and everybody wanted to console her. So finally, one teacher came and told, look, dear, you decide you want to marry Rama or Ravana. Whoever you want to marry, just put the garland in his neck, just stop crying. Okay, so Sita told, no, I want to go home.
Oh.
So that was Saswat. Okay. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.